Hey, how's it, guys? Welcome back to our part 4 of a cooking challenge series. It's Jamie's turn to pick a recipe, so let's see what she's gonna make.
Baked brie. Okay, so to start, we're just gonna add some butter and get that melted. Now you're just going to put the bread on here. Now that your bread is all toasted, you're gonna lay down a piece of foil. You're gonna do a double layer so that it can pick up the brie when the first side is done, and so the cleanup is a little bit easier. And then you're gonna put a very generous amount of butter in the middle, and you're gonna get it all melted. Once all your butter is melted, you're gonna put your brie in the center and wait for it to get brown on the bottom. Once your brie is browned, you're gonna carefully transfer your brie to the other tin foil and flip. She's toasted. Wait for the other side to toast. Now that it's all toasted and puffed up, add whatever jam you have. We have a jalapeno jam. You're gonna put it on the top. You can actually turn it off at this point. Then you're gonna add whatever other toppings you want. We have walnuts and then also just a little bit of honey. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, oh, look at that. All right, perfect.
This was Brian's recipe. Shout out to Eric, you know which Eric you are, for this recipe. Stay tuned for Josh's pick.